Hello everyone, Dafuk Blocks back. Sorry for not uploading for a while, I took a break. Because there wasn't really much new stuff because Sentient was busy doing his exams, but know that he is done with his exams. He and the dev team have started to cook the update, but let's stop yapping and get into the leaks because there are a lot. By the way, the cat ears won't be added. Woman in her episode. 76 full episode clothing, but right next to her is 2 upgraded. Cameraman 1 holding an energy sniper, and the one at the back is holding the Astro Troop blaster, with also a text saying, "Together." But let's get into the next leak. In this next leak, you can see the leak before, but bigger. You can see another cameraman in the back. Also, if I'm correct, you can see camera woman's plungers on her back, but in the back, you can see a shadow of the camera attack heli, but let's get into the next leak. In this next leak, we can see the cameraman 3.0. Shooting the energy sniper at a Astro. You can also see that the jetpack flame color is blue when it's the 3.0 version also. To note, no, Astros will be added in this update. But let's get into the next one. Here in this leak, we see the tip of the energy sniper, and damn, the dev team cooked the model. But that really it, so next leak. In this leak, we can see the bit of the jetpack model, which looks like it will be animated, which is a W on to the next one. In this leak, we can see the cameraman 3.0. Using his jetpack to fly while aiming also, we can see the square lens, but also a new headphones model, which looks fire, but damn. This model was cooked, but on to the next leak. In this leak, we can see the reworked, upgraded Speakerman model with the spiky bat, and it also has a trail, but we can also see he is wearing a commander's hat, so like the cameraman. He will be able to equip a commander's hat, which is awesome, but on to the next leak. In this next leak, we can see the same Speakerman doing the boogie down dance, but if you realize in the last leak, the Speakerman suit wasn't suited up, but in this leak, it is so there might be an animation where your suit can be buttoned up, but onto the next leak. In this video leak, we see the upgraded Speakerman doing the boogie down dance, and also to say there will actually be an animation where you change Speakerman version, instead of it being different morphs, but onto the next leak. In this leak, we see a bunch of different upgraded Speakerman version. The one in the darker gray suit is holding 2 metal bat, and the red suit one is holding 2 energy knives, which the model and the effects look fire, and the gray suit one is holding the spiky bat, but the one in the back is wearing the commander's hat and is also smoking. But let's get to the next one. In this leak, we can see the detective cameraman writing on a clipboard. So I think there will be an animation where you can write on your clipboard, which will be awesome for roleplays, but to the next one. In this leak, we can see the cameraman 3.0. In handcuffs, the same handcuffs they were put on Lucky. Cameraman in season 24 secret scene. So I bet there will be animation where you get placed in handcuffs and then you can break out, but to the next leak. In this leak, we can see the detective cameraman holding handcuffs while also, in his other hand, is holding the clipboard, and then shotgun cameraman is aiming his shotgun and shooting, but his second one likes. He is reloading, and also the senior scientist cameraman. We can see the model, which looks cool, but also you can see the upgraded camera drone shooting lasers, which will actually be an animation for him, where he pulls out a drone, but onto the next leak. In this leak, we see the reworked camera woman head model, which there isn't anything else. In this next leak, we can see camera woman spiky energy plungers, and you can also see her legs, but that's really it. In this leak, we can see camera woman's plungers on her back. But right new to her, I think, is the Astro carrier laser, but that's it for this leak. In this next leak, we can see camera woman pulling out her lasers, but also she doesn't have her hat on, so it might be equip and a unequipped animation. In this leak, we can see camera woman's head model, but when you upgrade to the 3.0 version, in this leak, we can see camera woman laser. I think she is flying with energy behind her. You can also see her wearing headphones. In the last camera woman leak, you can see she is in her human form, which I believe will be an animation, where she becomes Kathy. And then she can say as one till the end, you can see her full model also, which looks amazing. She is also holding one of her plungers while trying to get the POV up. In this leak, it is a troll leak posted by Sentient of the Speaker Woman reworked head model on the reworked Speakerman model, with her also wearing the reworked headphones model, which this leak looks goofy. In this next leak, we see the camera attack heli shooting rockets at something, but you can also see the reworked Speaker Woman holding on to the heli while holding her katana. In this next leak, you can see the reworked large TV Man 1.0 model, which looks fire. In this leak, we can see a new punching animation for the large TV Man rework. You can also see in the back the upgraded orbital camera model, which will be added in replacement of the canceled Halloween event we were supposed to get. In this next leak, we can see the upgraded large TV Man 2.0. With the speakers, we can also see the tentacles that hold it out. The TVs have been changed. In this leak, you can see the upgraded large TV Man 3.0 screen, but to the side, you can see a bit of his claw. In this leak, you can see the large TV Man pointing like he did in episode 77, part 3, when he told the G-Squad to get out. In this next leak, you can see the back of the large TV Man 3.0 with his claws out. In this leak, you can see the large TV Man 3.0 when he catches the energy balls from the Astro Obliterator. You can also see the model of him, which looks cool. In this video leak, we can see it's a recreation of the episode 77 part 3 scene where large TV Man 3.0 pulls out his claws, catches the energy balls, turns around, and throws them back at the Astro. In this next leak, you can see the tracking device the large TV Man 3.0 picked up and crushed in 77 full episode secret scene. So I think there will be an animation where you either equip tracking device or grab tracking device. After that, you would be able to crush it. Now in this leak, this one is confusing, but I think it is a flying effect for the large TV Man. In this leak, we can see the large TV Man holding the large Cameraman 3.0, which he did in episode 77 part 3 after the large Cameraman sacrificed himself to try and save Titan TV Man, but also we can see the model for the large Cameraman 3.0, which looks cool. In the last leak, we can see the same leak before, but the blue light on the large Cameraman 3.0 is turned off, which symbolizes that the large Cameraman is dead. But as we can see, here is 9 out 13 is done, which is fire. The update will be here soon. Here is the update log as we can see the Cameraman rework is done, the speaker man rework is done, shotgun Cameraman is done, detective Cameraman is done, senior scientist Cameraman is done, camera woman rework is done, speaker woman rework is done, camera attack Heli is done, the large TV Man rework is done, but I think Sentient forgot to change this. Next one for Sentient to do is the large Cameraman rework, but also as you Sentient added the orbital camera rework and the upgraded camera APC. But something really cool was confirmed by Leo. We are going to get weekly updates every week. They will rework a map or add new stuff to some maps, but it's going to be awesome. But sadly, that was all the leaks. I will post if there are any more, but if you could like and subscribe it, would be very appreciated. We are at almost 100 subscribers, and if we reach it, it will make me motivated to do more of these videos, but thanks for watching. Dafuk Blocks out.